Doctor told he has become dehydrated because at that time my milk was not enough for him. Feeling myself as hopeless, I started feeling, what kind of mother am I? I'm not able to feed my baby. What will happen to his health in the future? Because I've already put him only on formula. So when I attended the webinar, clearly it was told that a mother can produce enough milk which a baby requires. There's no problem. Yeah, I'm Mohana Lakshmi. Basically, I'm called Mohana Rajiva, adding my husband name to that.
Okay.
I'm a breastfeeding mother. My baby is 2.5 months old. Like almost, he'll be completing 11 weeks. So I joined this session because initially I found it very difficult. In hospital, they help me breastfeed the baby because the quantity of milk given to baby is very less. But post third day, after discharge, when I came home on the same day, I observed that baby has not passed urine, and then that caused an alarm for me because that doctors had clearly told at least they should be 4 to 5 wet diapers because baby is just 3 days old. But the whole day the diaper was not wet. And doctor told he has become dehydrated because at that time my milk was not enough for him.
Definitely.
So from the fourth day itself, we had to put him on formula feed along with my breast milk.
So
Yeah, I did that. I met a lactation consultant who was there in the hospital. The tips which they were given, I was following, but I was sure that was not helping me because in the video also they say, okay, try this method, try this method. How long can I look at the video holding my baby here? There should be somebody who's like, no, this is incorrect. Try a proper method because video shows like, okay, baby is latching from front. How would I know if the baby is latching properly? Because video is different, and if somebody is overseeing and saying, no, this is incorrect, try this method. The guidance which I was expecting was really given by your team. Initially, when I joined, I was actually little in hesitant, thinking like, okay, if somebody is calling me and trying to help me, can I be comfortable with them feeding the baby in front of them? But Miss Vinotini is my lactation consultant. When I met her, when I spoke to her, she made it very comfortable. Like, okay, I can share my whatever problem I have, and I have somebody who can guide me through that and help me come out of the situation. The webinar was very much an eye opener. To be very frank, I was hopeless. I was feeling hopeless. I'm not able to feed my baby. What's happening? Because they say mother milk is the best medicine which a baby can be given. So I was feeling very low. I was feeling myself as hopeless. I started feeling, what kind of mother am I? I'm not able to feed my baby. What will happen to his health in the future? Because I've already put him only on formula. So this webinar was a very good eye opener. I'm like, okay, there is a team, there is a group which will help me to come out of the situation and help my baby also to get good health. I immediately joined, even before the completion of the course, when I was given an option like you can join today, I joined. The course was not even over, the webinar was not over, because that is what I was looking after. Just as soon as the webinar got over, I got a call from your team saying that they received the payment and I'm part of Webinama team now. And they asked me to immediately go and check. They asked me to download the app. Yeah. First thing I did download, and I was very confident, like, okay, everything is available. Pediatricians are there. I can, even if required, I can go ahead with that. Then I saw very specifically, your app also is very neatly designed in each one kind of doctors who are there. So my first concern was lactation. So immediately I saw, okay, who are the lactation experts? To be frank, what I do is I go to each of their profile, even if when I selected my doctor, the kind of experience they have, what kind of patients they have treated. So I went through and I got to know like all your experts are like not less than 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. There's nobody just fresh, like I'm just come as a lactation expert. So, and very clearly it says they helped 500 mothers, for example, 600 mothers. So I felt confident, okay, they are helping so many people. I can be one of them. So take the help from them. The first session, and even though he was sleeping, I felt very confident when he latched. And I also had problem of sore nipples because I didn't know how to latch. Baby was not properly sucking. So for that also she gave me tips how to overcome that. So that was very smooth. And then she asked me to monitor how much formula feed I'm giving the baby, just to keep her informed in the group, like what time, how much I'm feeding. So my baby was taking almost 500 ml of formula feed. She's like, that is too much. So that, yeah, per day. Because I was feeling my milk is not enough. He's hungry. give him formula feed. He's fine. He's go plays or he goes to sleep. Because initial days, baby, when he used to sleep a lot. Now only he started playing. So she's like, let us reduce. She gave a target like you start reducing 30 ml, 60 ml, 90 ml. Now he's not completely stopped, but now he's come to maximum 180 ml to 200 ml. So that is a confidence. I am also getting that my milk I'm able to produce enough milk. Gradually, I want to stop that also. So with the tips what she's given and how she's guided me. Yeah, lactation expert. What I had to take my baby to hospital, sit in front of them, take the help for maybe 15-20 minutes, come back home and try again. If there's a problem, say 1 or 2 days again, I have to go to hospital. The commuting time, taking a small baby with me, he was just like 20 days old, take him to hospital. It was not working out because we have to travel. But post that, if I come back home and think, okay, is this correct? Because they would have shown me 1 or 2 methods. Is this correct? But when I attended webinar and then I got lactation, one of the lactation expert assigned to me, I can call. I was very confident. I can message her like this is what I have done. I had a communication method. WhatsApp was a group. Then I can also book a consultation where she sees, okay, no, hold this baby like this. Very deeply, she helped me in that. So that was completely. And to be frank, I need not take my baby anywhere. My baby is with me. The expert is directly speaking to me. I need not go out. So any point of the time, even in the afternoons or evening, she's available. I just message her. This is a doubt. She clarifies, or book a consultation and she clarifies. That really helped me. Actually, it was more better than offline. As I told, I had to take the baby to lactation expert, sit in front of there. If that person is busy, she's okay attending some other, maybe a newborn baby, she's there with them. I had to wait. Here, no, book an appointment, lactation expert. It's just like we both are face to face. And clearly, she's like, no, this is not the hold. Give a deep latch or hold the baby properly. She observes everything and she's like, no, this is correct. Change this method. If not now, again, maybe after 2 days, I can book another consultation if many doubts, or even in WhatsApp. That was more comfortable to me than personally visiting a lactation expert. Please don't give any second thought. I can say Baby Nama team is always available because I have experienced this. And don't think that I'll not be able to produce enough milk. It just needs a technique. As a new mom, none of us would be knowing how to do it. And as a baby also, baby would have come to the world, new environment, very warm environment in the mother's womb. Coming out, they also would be wondering, what place am I come in, where am I? So the baby also takes time. But please, if you have any difficulty, I can very confidently say, please join your team, Baby Nama team. There are experts who are there to help to come out of that. And always now I feel that, mother can produce enough milk which baby requires. But only, as I told, we require support and the support team is available. I should be really thankful. I'll always remember your team, that the team has brought me to a situation where I'm very confident that yes, next month maybe I can completely stop formula milk and breastfeed my baby completely. And looking forward to take Pediatric Services and be part of your team again. Bye-bye.